3 Fiverr gigs that require 0 skill, 0 knowledge, early ranking, and yes, it have a low competition rate. I researched 3 trending gigs that can make you lots of money and can be used with your smartphone. So, let me use my device with less time to show you how to make money offering these gigs. First on my list, website testing, beta testing, meaning reviewing big websites, telling them what you like and dislike about the site. It have a low competition rate. Oh, and yes, people will pay you to review the color or glitch in their website. Easy money. Yes it is. Next on my list is album cover, meaning providing unique pictures and art for musicians. Unique artwork using your smartphone. You may ask, how possible is this? No joke here. Let me use this website to show you. Simply go to this website over here. Click the first link on the page. And then click on. This artwork does not exist. The AI uploads rare unique artwork musicians can buy from you and use. Yes, you can make money doing such gigs. This artworks are rare, having meaning in its artwork. And this unique picture made me over $400. Yes, can make you extra money on Fiverr because of low competition. Next on my list is search engine optimization report. And yes, it is that simple. Easy money. To get traffic report on any website, go to this website. Input the URL of the website. It brings out monthly or weekly traffic report for that website. So they may charge huge amount to a company for SEO report. Yours will be cheaper. Easy money. It is low in competition. Gives you an early ranking. Oh, and lots of money. That is all for the video. Simply subscribe and we will see you next week.